The president of the Law Society of Kenya, Faith Odhiambo, has slammed the state for weaponizing the justice system. Odhiambo maintains the government is targeting critics with exaggerated charges designed to deny them fair bail terms. Her sentiments come hours after Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen accused the LSK of activism surrogate. Murkomen also defended the terrorism charges preferred against protesters, activists and opposition politicians, saying the charges are justified. NTV's Laban Shaban kicks off our bulletin tonight.
The president of the Law Society of Kenya, Faith Odhiambo, has pushed back at Interior CES Kipchumba Murkomen for alleging that LSK is shielding terror suspects from prosecution. Faith Odhiambo slammed Murkomen's allegations as an attempt to weaponize the justice system in order to intimidate activists.
The Law Society does not get involved in the decision-making process. We have continued to raise concern if you look at even the definition under the Terrorism Act, which provides the ambits in which you can charge persons for terrorism. Because what we are seeing is weaponization of the law in attempts to ensure that people are held on higher bail and bond terms, because knowing full well that a charge under terrorism is a serious offense.
While attending a Jukwaa la Usalama Forum Eldoret on Wednesday, Murkomen launched a scathing attack on LSK, accusing it of deliberately frustrating efforts to bring criminals to justice.
They want to secure these criminals to be free so that when the next protest happens, they will be in the streets assisting other criminals to interfere with peaceful protests, which is counterproductive.
The LSK boss fired back at the Interior CS with even harsher reality.
I challenge him as well to arrest the goons that were seen alongside police. There have been several pictures capturing, and I hope those will be the ones that he'll ensure as well are brought before the court, because the courts should not be used to abuse the criminal justice system.
But Murkomen says the state is not backing down on its decision to pursue terrorism charges against individuals linked to the chaotic June 25th and July 7th protests. Citing the destruction of government installations and property, the Interior CS insisted that perpetrators must face the full force of the law.
They are defined to be terrorists because they have committed acts of terror. And if we find them attempt to do so, even in this city, we are going to charge them for what it is. Those are terrorists that must have their day in court, and they must not get the assistance of any civilized person, let alone the Law Society of Kenya.
The government has been under sharp criticism from rights groups and opposition leaders over the alleged government overreach to silence dissent and criminalize protest. At least 1,500 suspects were arrested in connection to recent protests. Laban Shaban, NTV.